to my channel. I have introduced a new pack that is called Unity Editor Productivity App. Unity Editor Productivity App is nothing but a collection of that is totally 9 premium editor tools plus 2 free Unity tools, that is editor tools actually. And what you will get in this tool, originally $65, bundled price is $60, and as of now winter sale just $54 you can buy it. So which is first is missing reference finder, next is navigation history, and powerful asset search, Unity project standardizer, advanced Unity doodle tracker, prefab defensive visualizer, camera bookmark tool, quick scriptable creator, hierarchy visual toolkit. You can find more about, I will give you a link in description, and everything you will get in one zip file. And bonus is Unity scene loader and simple flashlight script, which is a free script. That is, these scripts I have created all this for in this 2025 year, and I have bundled into one edition. And if you are my Patreon member, you can get this for free actually. You can get this zip for free, or you can buy it in winter sale. Thank you.